Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, well, you kind of guessed it. You see it in the title. So let's go ahead and get into it. Man, we did it, guys. We broke the 1,000 mark. Thank you to all you guys. Much appreciated. Much love out there. Thank you. Thank you so much. And as promised, yes, it's giveaway time to some lucky subscriber out there. The only way you can enter, you have to be subscribed to my channel, RC Terminator. Okay? You need to comment down below on what I'm going to say to comment. And don't forget to hit the like button as well, just so I know you guys liked it. And here it is, if you guys haven't forgot. Nah, you're not just going to get a little carbon fiber box. Let me open it up for you guys. Dude, I am stoked on everybody, man. Thank you so much. We have ourselves a Ghoul RC foldable drone with 4K camera. There it is, guys. This is what is the giveaway. Yes. Definitely. Okay. What comes in the box or bag? Your prop guards. Some screws to put the prop guards on. Spare set of blades. You only got 2 of them. That's what I got. That's what I'm sending you guys. Next one. One battery. 2 batteries. I'm just giving you guys 2 batteries with this. And the book, the instructions for spare parts, and the app thing and on how to control the app so you can record your video and stuff. And of course, the most important thing, yeah right, screwdriver, little Phillips screwdriver. That's what comes in this carry bag. Everything you need to be able to operate this drone. Well, almost everything. Controller. You guys are going to have to supply your own AA batteries. Take the screw out down here at the bottom. Remove this cover. Put them in there. Put the cover back on with your screw. And you got batteries in it. Okay? I don't want to leave batteries in it because it's going to ruin it. So, now, what you have to do to enter into this contest, this giveaway, the awesomest giveaway yet for 1,000 subs. Thank you again. I can't keep thanking you guys enough for all the support. I never knew there was that much love out there for this hobby, for me, or for anybody for that matter. Thank you so much. But what you have to do to enter, I want you to put in the comment section, congratulations, and put, I don't know, definitely want congratulations in there. And I guess let's go ahead and put congratulations, please enter. That'll work. That'll work for me. Now, time of this video, I'm going to let it run 1 week. So I plan on putting the video up on a Friday evening. I'm going to let this thing go until the following Friday evening for you guys to give all my fellow subscribers a chance. I really would like to give them a chance to win this drone. And that's my token appreciation for you guys supporting me. So, remember, congratulations, please enter, okay? And it's going to run for 1 week. And if I'm following you guys on Instagram, I'll get your information off that for whoever wins, for me to be able to get the mailing address or anything for this. If you guys are following me on Facebook, message me on Facebook if you are the winner, which we'll go further into that. I'm jumping ahead of the game here right now, but we'll be able to get in touch with anybody. It comes with a nice foam bag, so it's all protected, well protected and everything. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap this video up. We're gonna keep it short and sweet, but I appreciate everything you guys have done for me. Thank you so much. And until next time, I hope I can keep bringing you guys awesome content. I appreciate it. Just share my videos. Share it, share it, share it, share it. That's all I ask. I appreciate it, guys. Thank you.